What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, you can see it's a little bit dark, but I'm at a car meet, and like I always want to show you all these cars in Houston. So right now we're walking to the area where all the cars at. So enough talking, we're just gonna go and see the cars. The Audi. Got the Porsche. Alright, guys, here you go. I think this is a G35. So, has a bunch of camber on this one. Then we got this F4S. Bunch of nice cars, and we got the homies cars. That's Alan's car. Then we got Ivan's car, Static. Then we have Joseph. Pretty unique. The only one in Houston that I've seen like this, Hyundai. And he done a badass job with this car. I really like it. So now let's go see some other cars. We got the Accord here. Extreme Nation. I know these guys too. We got the little camber in the back. Nice Accord. It's 2000. Damn, look at this. Super nice. It's 13. Nice squad right here. Maserati. I like these. Then we got a Porsche. We got the Silver. Money right there. We got this nice, I think, Lexus IS400 or something like that. No, LS400, something like that. Nice. Then we got this TL, which I also know, he works with me. His name is Johnny. I don't know his Instagram, so I'll tell you now. Then we got this lineup. The Mustang. Eliel, what you doing, bro? Ah, lit. The usual. Elias car. Is it Elias car? Yeah, it's yeah, Beamer. LS. We got some TC all the way in the ground. Then we got the Civic. Got F4S. Static. Looks like Static. Here we go with a G35, and this is a co-worker too, Jonathan. Looks nice. It's on 19s. Cleanest MR2 I've seen. I like that color, red. Nice. Nice, nice. Something different. Yo. Alright, you guys, so this is it for tonight because it started kind of like raining. See? It started kind of like raining, so I'm finna go home. So hopefully you guys like this small video, and see ya next time.